Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel, Living with Esther. I'm Esther, and today I'm going to show you. Um, it's the second part of revitalizing our backyard and the front yard. We started the project last year. We did the deck last year. There around the deck last year, building the stairs, and so the deck we did a few years ago. So now what we're doing is rebuilding up the foundation, the landscaping. We're pouring some more dirt down to level out the yard, so the front and the backyard, because it was like on a slope, something like that. So we leveling it out with some more dirt and doing a patio under this patio. So I'm glad you guys could join me as we go ahead and continue this project. Thanks to those who subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. I'm so glad you all are supporting me 100%. I do appreciate it, and I love you guys. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you love what I'm doing, please join my community. I love you guys. Thanks, and let's go ahead and do our second transformation of the front and back porch. Thanks, guys. I do appreciate it. Also, guys, I just want you guys to know that we are doing the project ourselves. So if you see everything you see being done to this yard, it's being done by us. We not having oh, my brother-in-law came out and helped us level out some of the dirt. Yes, I'm so glad he also, come and help us. I do appreciate his help and the hobby. I give them credit for what they're doing. I love to give people their credit. Give credit where credit is due, Anything they do for me on my projects, I give them credit for it. So, thanks again. Thanks for joining me. And guys, let's go ahead and continue this project. So this is our second year transforming the yard. Yes. Thanks again. Come on. Get a chair, get a lawn chair, get a glass of lemonade, sit down, and just join us. Thanks, guys. And now the yard, we purchased some dirt and to level out the front and the back of our yard. That's all. So we had to purchase several loads of dirt. And who would believe you have to buy dirt in this country? That's the last thing I ever thought of. Yeah, so we had to purchase dirt for the project. And we also had to rent one of those backhoe, whatever they call that stuff, from Home Depot to do it. So see all of this, the dirt is going right here. As you all see, I haven't even touched the front yet for the year, because I normally have my front porch done, but we didn't do it yet because we were waiting to level it out. This is a big project, and you know what, guys? It's a little chilly outside. Today is July the 18th, and we're inland, and for me it's chilly out here. It's very chilly out here. We already put dirt over here, level out over here, so now we're gonna level out over there. And as you can see, we already started the retaining wall over here. Yeah, started building up the retaining wall. As I said, it's a big project, but I'm not gonna be out here too long because it's chilly for me out here. I'm a warm-blooded person. I like my heat. We love our heat. Yeah. So as you can see, it's a big project. And you already start having the dirt, yeah, level out. That was a lot of dirt that we had to purchase. Yeah. And as you can see, yeah, we still have the bricks over here. And so far, over here is already leveling out. So it's a work in progress. It would be nice if we could put in a swimming pool after this. The kids would love it, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, so there goes there. It's good people know what they're doing. We have all the bricks still, some bricks still there. Yeah. And all over there is already leveled off. Yeah. As you can see, all over here. So that's the first dirt that's put down. So now we have to get some topsoil, the real topsoil, the good stuff, to put on top of this again. That's another bunch of dirt. Yeah, another bunch of dirt. It's a pity we have to buy dirt. Yeah, it's a pity we have to buy dirt. Yeah, but this is what our project is for this summer, this year.